Hello guys, I'm back again with another Curlyme wig video, and this one is the blonde highlight straight wig. As you can see, it's so beautiful, long and dense. In the bag it came with this edge band, edge brush, wig cap and lashes. Guys, this one is so beautiful. It is the 6x4 HD closure. 6x4 meaning 6 inches over here wide and 4 inches down. This one came with this wide comb at the back, their logo that says Curlyme, as you can see. The cap is dome cap, and it came with this detachable adjustable band right here. And this one is their glueless wig. The blonde highlight on this one is professionally done, no streaks or anything. As you can see, it's perfect, nicely done. Let's go ahead and put this one on to know what we're working with. Guys, this one is beautiful as usual. Curlyme never fails at all. Every wig that I have tried with this company, no complaint. I wear average cap size, and the cap on this one fits perfectly for me, so I would say it's medium to large head friendly. It's not too tight, it's not loose, it is on point. So I will start off by using my contour palette to apply on the lace, just to hide the color of this one, because it's a little light for me. And then I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation to put at the center, just to define the part a little bit more. If I didn't mention, this one is glueless, so we're not going to use anything. Look at that, and bam. Let's do the comb test. See, I'm going to section out a little bit of hair right here, just to use it to lay down and cover these tracks by the side of this wig. The only thing that I'm going to use is my mousse, just to lay the baby hair down. And let's go ahead and do it, guys. I'm gonna use my Babyless Pro straighten iron just to straighten this wig a little bit more. As you can see, it's good already, but let's do it a little bit more. But before I do that, I'm going to use this there edge band to tie my front part, just to help the baby hair lay down a little bit more. Guys, this wig is so beautiful. The luster on this one, the shine, the silkiness on this one is impeccable. Like, look at that. Curlyme never fails. All their wigs are A1. A1, perfect, guys, perfect. The hairline on this one, as you can see, is so beautiful. There's no glue on this one, there's no adhesive. Look at that. Bam. Bam. This one is beautiful, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. The only thing that I use on this one is my mousse. Guys, you've been watching me do this. Look at that. So nice. Guys, this one is A1 for me. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for me. So beautiful. The hair on this one, the density is good. Look at that. Shake, 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 and it's still in place. No shedding, no tangling. Yeah guys, we're officially at the end of this video. If you are interested on this one, go to curlyme.com and purchase one for yourself. this wig worth it. You saw me doing this, you saw the whole process. So big, and it's true to length, 26 inches. Guys, before you go, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, turn your notification bell on. I gotta run, and I will see you in my next video.